Every day, billions of people type questions into Google. Some search for the weather. Others search for recipes, news, or answers to difficult questions. But have you ever stopped and wondered, how does Google find exactly what you're looking for in less than a second? Does Google search the entire internet every time you type something? Or does it already know where everything is? The truth is far more fascinating than you might imagine. In this video, we'll explore how Google search actually works, from web crawlers and massive data centers to artificial intelligence. Let's begin. Before understanding Google, we first need to understand the internet. The internet contains hundreds of billions of web pages. Every minute, thousands of new websites, articles, videos, and images are uploaded. If you try to read just one web page every second, it would take thousands of years to see them all. So how can Google search through all of this information almost instantly? The answer is, it doesn't search the entire internet every time you ask a question. Instead, it uses a much smarter system. Google has a special computer program called Googlebot. Think of it as an explorer that never sleeps. Its job is to travel across the internet 24 hours a day. Googlebot starts by visiting a web page. Then it follows every link it finds. Those links lead to more pages. And those pages contain even more links. After Googlebot finds a web page, Google doesn't simply store the page. Instead, it carefully analyzes everything. The title, the text, the images, the videos, the keywords, the links. Then it organizes all of this information inside a gigantic database called the Google Index. Imagine the world's largest library. Instead of searching every book individually, you first check the library catalog. The Google Index works exactly like that catalog. Instead of searching the internet, Google searches its index. That's why it's so incredibly fast. Now imagine you type, "best camera for beginners." The moment you press enter, Google searches its index, not the live internet. Then thousands of powerful computers work together to decide which pages deserve to appear first. Google considers hundreds of ranking factors, including, is the page relevant? Is the information trustworthy? Is the content up to date? Does the website load quickly? Is it mobile friendly? Do other trusted websites link to it? Within a fraction of a second, Google sorts millions of possible results and shows you the best ones, all before you even realize it. Google today is much smarter than it was years ago. It doesn't just match words. It tries to understand what you actually mean. For example, if you search for Apple, do you mean the fruit or the technology company? Google uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to understand your intent. It also considers your location. If you search best restaurant near me, Google knows where you are and shows nearby restaurants. The goal isn't just to find words. It's to understand your question. Google processes billions of searches every single day. To do this, it operates enormous data centers around the world. Inside these buildings are hundreds of thousands of powerful servers. These computers store copies of the Google Index, process search requests, and deliver results in milliseconds. The entire system is designed to be incredibly fast and reliable. Even if one data center experiences a problem, others continue working. That's why Google is available almost all the time. Does Google know everything? The answer is no. Google doesn't know everything. Many web pages are hidden behind passwords. Some websites block search engines completely. Others belong to the deep web, which isn't indexed by normal search engines. Google can only search information that it has discovered and added to its index. So while Google is incredibly powerful, it doesn't contain the entire internet. The next time you search on Google, remember what's happening behind the scenes. A network of web crawlers, massive data centers, powerful algorithms, and artificial intelligence, all working together in less than a second to answer your question. Google isn't just a search engine. It's one of the most advanced information systems ever created. What do you search for the most on Google? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Secret for more fascinating videos that explain how our world really works.